Hello, this is D300 Nikon. I just painted, primed, except for that and that. I just primed, painted those two. I think they're cool in black. I'm primed this whole head here, and I painted the shroud. I don't know if you can see difference, but that's the old black, new. You can kind of tell. So yeah, tractor's doing well. I still need a 40-buck belt. I have a question. I'm posting this today. It's Tuesday. I don't know what date. Yeah, what color should I paint this? This whole hood. I'd like some ideas. Should I paint this grill a different color and the top part a different color, or both the same? Or should I switch? Could you tell me, like, as soon as possible? Because I kind of want to go out today and get some paint, but I'm all kind of, I don't know what to pick. So if you guys could tell me, that'd be very much appreciated. Yeah, just an update. So, like, as soon as you see this video, and after I'm done the question part, please just write a response or email me as soon as you can, because I really want to go. Does this have a light? Yes, it does. I'm recording from my BlackBerry. Here's my 3-horse brakes. It's kind of stuck. Like, if I go like this, it's like seized. I think, I don't know, it made a weird sound like bolts were loose. So see, like, if I when you turn the flywheel. So yeah. And it's a reunion, I'm guessing, for my actual 4-cycle little engine. Take the wheel. Does work. See the valves. That's my little engine there. It is a 4-cycle. I don't have parts for it. Looks pretty cool. So yeah, if anyone can tell me what paints I could use for my lawn tractor color, that'd be very much appreciated. And I will respond back to you ASAP. So if you could tell me, that'd be great. So what else should I paint on this? Yeah. Okay, thanks guys. See ya. Bye-bye.